Today we will talk about Power PDF 3. And before we do so, I want to highlight how our software has been awarded in the last few years. The last award, as you can see, is from the BLI, which gave us the Software Pick Award for 2018. And Power PDF has been awarded there as the most outstanding PDF solution. And amongst other things, they highlighted 3 points. Intuitive design, the set of features our product offers, and then the support we offer, not only through security with the password protection, encryption, and so forth, but also for the enterprise support we offer to our customers with maintenance and support. But when we look into our customers and we ask ourselves the questions why they actually need a PDF solution, PDF is still the most used format on the internet today. If you go to Google and you do a search on a type of documents, you will see that there's different types of formats available on the internet. And as you can see, PDF today is still the most used format with around 70 to 80%. So since there's so many PDF documents out there, we need to gain control of these PDF documents. And what do customers actually need? Why do they need PDF software? Well, they simply need software to be able to edit PDF files. They need to be able to create PDF files from multiple documents. They want maybe to convert a PDF document into an editable format like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, amongst other things. As well as they need to, for example, be able to secure their documents with passwords, with encryption, to be able to create fillable forms, and to be able to digitally sign documents. And then finally, we can introduce Power PDF 3 to you, which is the best PDF software that Nuance has ever created. I would even say it's probably the best PDF product on the market today. And why is this the best PDF product on the market today and the best version we ever released? As you can see here on the screen, first of all, the unparalleled document conversion accuracy and compatibility, the ease of use with enhanced editing capabilities, superior experience thanks to our improved ribbon interface, and then 2 big improvements, one being the integration of DocuSign, which is the leader in online digitally signing, and the network collaboration, which will allow you to work real-time on the same document through the internal network. But the main compelling event for a customer to migrate to the latest version of Power PDF, obviously, is the fact that the PDF Association has released a new ISO format, which is the PDF 2.0. And this is the industry standard that need to be complied. And the Power PDF is today 100% compliant with that format. And that should be the main reason for customers to move over to Power PDF 3. When we look into detail what new features we have added to Power PDF 3 compared to the previous version, we're not going to highlight all the feature sets, but looking at the latest version, in both the standard and advanced version, we have, for example, improved the accuracy and the OCR engine, the document editing capabilities. We have added extra features to the document assembly mode with swapping and duplicating pages. We have enhanced the editing capabilities when we're using a digital pen, for example, on a Microsoft Surface device. We have a combine all files button, which creates one single PDF with all open PDF files. And from now on, all open PDF files are available on a tabbed view, which is easier to work with. And we have improved the interface thanks to the 4 new colors that have been introduced. And obviously, like I mentioned earlier, the compatibility with the latest ISO PDF 2.0 format, which is very important. What's new in only the advanced version? That's the signatured workflows, like I mentioned earlier, with the integration of DocuSign, which requires the customer to have an existing subscription. The collaboration workflows with the multi-user network collaboration capabilities. The document security workflows with, for example, shared watermarks. the workflow automation, which makes a link to existing Nuance solutions such as AutoStore and Nuance Business Connect. Enterprise deployment for the IT directors amongst you, which has improved the deployment of the software at the company level, being able to create different groups. And last but not least, the workflow automation with improved features in the sequencer and in the form building capabilities. And this brings us to our demo. We will show you Power PDF 3 now. So here we are. We're going to show Power PDF 3 now. And as you can see on the screen, Power PDF has now a different skin color. It's in blue, and this is one of the new features we added to Power PDF. I'll go to the View menu, and as you can see, we have now the Change Skin button, which gives you choices between purple, dark gray, light gray, and blue. I have chosen blue now. And the main reason we have chosen these 4 colors is for accessibility reasons, because we have the right contrast that allows people with reduced visibility to keep working perfectly with our product. But let's go to the Home menu so I can show you some of the new features of Power PDF 3. So first of all, I'll go here to the Document Assembly button. Here I can have an overview of the document I have open, and for example, if I don't need page number 7, I can select it and delete it. And you can do many other things. When, for example, I'm on page 2 and I click the right button, you will see there's multiple possibilities. You can, extract that page, you can insert a new page there and so forth. But we have added 2 new functionalities here. One being swap pages and the other one being duplicate pages. To swap pages, when I click on that button, I want to, for example, swatch page 2 with page 5. I'll click OK, and you have seen now that these 2 pages have swapped position. Maybe I want to duplicate page 1, so I'll select page 1, click the right button, click Duplicate, and as you will see now, page 1 has been duplicated on my screen. Leaving the Document Assembly button and showing you now the Combine All button. So this is something new as well in Power PDF 3, and this will allow you to combine all open documents. So if I now click on Combine All, you see I have 4 open documents. I will be able to convert all these 4 documents into one single PDF file. And now we're mentioning this, we have a tabbed view now. Before, per open document, you had a separate window, and now you are able to open up all documents in the same interface, having these tabs and allowing you to work even better. Since I'm in one of the 4 documents, I'll quickly open up this document here, which is, as you can see, a scanned document, pretty low resolution, no OCR recognition. Just to again highlight how powerful our OCR engine is. Our OCR comes from our product OmniPage, which has now a new version of the engine, and we have embedded that new OCR engine into Power PDF to even increase accuracy. So if, for example, I want to export this scanned document straight into Excel, all I need to do is click on the Excel button. I will save this on my desktop. And you will see how Power PDF will now create an Excel file with all the content of the document. Excel is opening. And there you go. I'll quickly improve the site, and you will see that the document has successfully been imported into Excel, which now allows me to add new columns into Excel and to keep on working on the document. Now let's go to the next menu, which is the Edit menu. And also here we have added new functionalities. On previous versions, you only had an Edit Object button. Right now we have 2 buttons. It's the Edit Text and Edit Object button. When I, for example, open up this document here, I can edit the text, and I can, for example, here decide that this whole box needs to be on one line. There you go. I see here a box which says net sales, but actually it's not net sales, it's gross sales. So I can easily adjust that and then adjust the size of the box again. Or just if I want to remove it, just click delete and remove this. And this is how you can easily edit an existing document as if you were in a Word editor program. And of course, every time you edit text, a new tab will appear now, which allows you to change the size, the font, the colors, and so forth. Going to the edit menu again, to now show you the edit object button. When I click this button, I can now literally select any object in my PDF document. Here, I have selected a logo, which I want actually on the right side of the document. So all I need to do is just drag and drop it and move it to the right side. I scroll down to this document here and I see there's a picture. Actually, I want to replace this picture with a video. So one of the newest PDF ISO standard rules is that you should be able to embed MP4 files into your PDF file now. And this is what I will do now. So in the same edit button, I can click on movie. And this will allow me to draw a box on my PDF. I'll click browse and I'll go look for my video. As you can see, we have many formats available. I'll choose here the one that includes MP4. There you go. And I have my files right here. I'll click OK. I won't create the cover now. And as soon as I now click, the video will now start playing into Power PDF. Going to the next set of features. And for that, I'll go to the comments menu. I'll go again to my previous file here. I can now click on the draw tools and go to the pencil. For that, I'll take my tactile pencil now and I'll draw on the screen. I'll select this text here. I will draw an arrow and I will write a text. There you go. And this will now create one single comment, which is an improvement compared to the previous version where for every drawing you made you had a separate comment box. Now it's one single comment box that it creates. So with that, I'll go to the next menu, which is security, and there I will show you DocuSign. As I mentioned during the presentation, DocuSign is an online signing platform. And when I click on the DocuSign logo, I first need to sign in. So let me sign in into this document. There you go. I need to add my password. And as you can see, DocuSign will now open up immediately into Power PDF. So we're in the cloud now. We don't have to open up DocuSign through the web browser, but it opens up straight into Power PDF. I click continue, and I can now go and select my signature, and for example, drop this here on the top right corner. And this is how a digital signature looks like with the DocuSign platform. And from here on, I can go any direction. I can, for example, assign this document to someone else. I can print and sign this document and so forth. Just to give you an idea of how you work with DocuSign within Power PDF. And then there's one last thing for me to show you, and that is collaboration. So on the left-hand side, I'll click on the collaboration button. And first I need to select the option visible to users in the same LAN. I'll click the Start Collaboration button and I'll click the Refresh button. This will allow me to see if the colleague I want to collaborate with is connected on the same internal network. Because like we mentioned on the presentation, we don't do collaboration over the cloud for security reasons. And we believe that using collaboration only through the internal network will enhance that security. Additionally, I can create a password for that colleague, so only he can log in into my session. I see my colleague is online, so I click on his name and I click Start. And that will allow him now to collaborate with me together on the same document. And as you can see, his mouse is moving. And as you can see now as well, he's adding comments on my document. And this is how you collaborate with Power PDF through the network internally. And with this, I think we have highlighted the most important features in Power PDF 3. So we want to thank you for your attendance, and hopefully we'll be able to meet with all of you anytime soon. Thank you very much. Bye.